Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar RV channel. If you're holding Iraqi Dinar or planning to exchange soon, this is one update you absolutely don't want to miss. There's been a major development from Chase Bank, one of the largest financial institutions in the U.S., that could have a significant impact on how you manage your dinar exchanges in 2025. These changes affect everything from daily exchange limits to verification requirements. So, let's get into what's new and why it matters. Chase Bank implements new exchange limits. Starting this month, Chase Bank has introduced firm limits on the daily amount of Iraqi dinar individuals can convert. While previous policies allowed for more flexibility based on account status and verification level, new caps are now in place. For standard customers, the maximum daily exchange is limited to the equivalent of $10,000 USDT. Premium or private account holders may qualify for a higher daily exchange amount, but even they won't be allowed to exceed 25,000 USD equivalent per day. This move appears to be a risk control measure as anticipation around the dinar's potential revaluation grows. Chase is looking to manage any possible surges in demand without disrupting their internal systems. Why Chase is tightening dinar policies? So why now? The dinar has been at the center of intense speculation, especially amid discussions about removing zeros from its notes and Iraq's increasing involvement with global economic powers. In anticipation of a possible spike in the dinar's value, banks like Chase are taking a proactive approach. The stricter policies are intended to protect their financial infrastructure from an overload of large, rapid transactions and to stay in line with regulatory standards. New documentation requirements. Chase is also raising the bar for compliance. To exchange dinar now, you'll need to provide documented proof of where and when you purchased your currency. This could include purchase receipts, bank or brokerage statements, notarized letters confirming origin. These enhanced requirements are part of Chase's effort to stay in line with financial regulations and to crack down on illegal or unverified foreign currency trades. If your dinars were bought years ago and you no longer have documentation, it's a good idea to reach out to your local Chase branch now to understand what options you have. Designated branches only. It's also important to note that not every Chase location will be processing dinar exchanges. Only selected branches, primarily those in major metropolitan areas or financial centers, will be equipped to handle this type of foreign currency transaction. Before making the trip, always call ahead to confirm that your chosen branch can perform the exchange and what documentation or appointments may be required. Strategic timing matters more than ever. If you were planning on exchanging a large sum all at once, you'll now need to plan accordingly. With these new limits in place, fully cashing out could take several days, or even weeks, depending on how much you hold. Building a personal exchange schedule that works within Chase's daily caps is now essential. And don't forget, exchange rates can change, which may affect your final amount. Planning in advance could make a big difference. Updated fee structure. Another key change is Chase's revised fee policy. Depending on your account type, expect to see a 1% to 3% foreign currency processing fee applied to your transaction. Premium account holders might receive discounted or waived fees, while regular customers should be prepared for them. If you're exchanging a substantial amount of dinar, these fees can add up fast, so be sure to factor them into your strategy. Funds availability and wire transfers. After converting your dinars, transferring the funds could come with a delay. If you're moving large amounts via wire transfer, be prepared for additional identity and source of funds checks. In some cases, Chase may place a temporary hold, usually 3 to 5 business days, on large transfers to ensure everything is properly verified. Is Chase planning to stop dinar exchanges entirely? At this time, no. Chase is still conducting dinar exchanges, but under tighter scrutiny. That said, nothing is set in stone, and policies could change again depending on global developments and Iraq's economic trajectory. Stay updated and flexible in your approach. Should you exchange now or wait? That's a personal decision and depends on your financial goals and outlook on a potential revaluation. If you believe a rate increase is imminent, you might choose to hold. However, if you're concerned about more restrictions or fewer banks participating in exchanges, now might be the right time to act. Evaluate your situation carefully and plan for both scenarios. What it means for the dinar community. These changes will likely make it more difficult for smaller investors to convert large amounts quickly. If other major banks follow suit, expect longer processing times, more documentation, and possible exchange bottlenecks. The key takeaway? Prepare early. Have your paperwork in order, know your branch's policies, and remain patient. Beware of counterfeit dinar. Chase is also increasing security during exchanges. All dinar notes will be tested using advanced currency scanners. If any notes fail the test, they'll be rejected with no compensation. To avoid any issues, make sure your currency was purchased from a reliable and verifiable source. If you're unsure, get your notes authenticated before heading to the bank. Consider a foreign currency account. Chase now recommends that regular exchangers set up a foreign currency account. These accounts are designed to handle multiple transactions and can help streamline your process. They may also offer reduced fees and more flexible limits, but may require credit checks and additional paperwork. Appointment-only exchanges for security. For your safety, Chase advises setting appointments for currency exchanges instead of walking in. This ensures a smoother, more secure experience and helps prevent theft or fraud. Also, avoid publicly discussing your plans or holdings for your own protection. Business account holders. Take note, if you're exchanging dinar through a business account, Chase may allow higher limits, but you'll also face more strict requirements. Make sure you have your business registration documents, tax ID numbers, proof of legitimate foreign currency transactions. Being well prepared can prevent costly delays. Don't fall for hype or scams. It's important to stay realistic. A revaluation won't automatically turn you into a millionaire overnight. Any rate changes will be based on official government announcements, not social media speculation. Always use trusted financial institutions like Chase. Avoid private exchanges or offers that sound too good to be true. Stick with facts and remain grounded. Final thoughts. Chase Bank's 2025 dinar exchange updates are now in effect. With daily limits, document checks, and limited branch access, you must plan ahead. Review your exchange strategy, gather your paperwork, and stay informed. Preparation and patience are your best assets. Whether you choose to wait or act now, make sure your decision is based on facts and readiness, not rumors. If you found this update helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more insights on the Iraqi dinar and foreign currency news. Drop a comment below. Are you planning to exchange soon, or are you holding out for more changes? Until next time, stay safe and stay smart.